Hi everyone. So in this video, I'll explain how to install PyCharm. So PyCharm is an IDE, integrated development environment. So to build your Python applications and Python projects, you need some IDE. So it will be helpful to build those things. Like you can't write your all the script in command prompt, right? So that's a major reason. So we're going with this IDEs. So there are two versions available. Like there are many IDs available. So I discussed those things in the earlier video. So you can go through that. And basically, if you want to build only complete Python application, then PyCharm is the best editor and best IDE. And there are two things available, like one is professional and one is community version. So let me click this thing. So these are the two versions available. So professional means it will support both web development at the same time. It will do helpful for scientific development. But in order to build complete applications with complete proper Python applications or proper script generation coding and etc., then you can go with community version. It's completely free. And so in order to check the pricing, you can click here. So if you want to go with this scientific version and these things, you can check the prices also. So better go with you know it's your choice basically. So I'm going with this community version. So you have to click on this download, and here you can see it will, so based on your internet speed, it will take some time to download this thing. So my internet speed is pretty fast. uh, it will take some 30 seconds. Yes, okay. So yeah, there are many things available. So PyCharm is coming from JetBrains, and it's one of the famous things. So JetBrains is the organization, they created this PyCharm. So it will be very helpful. Okay, so I discussed all those things in the earlier video. We can check that thing. So yeah, after this maybe if needed, so I'll do some video on how to install Visual Studio Code also. So in case if you want to go with this web application, then you have to go for this Visual Studio Code. So yeah, for basic Python application, some data analytics and etc. So then this thing is fine actually. So it applies and etc. Yeah, here you have to click on yes, and after that here you can see. So you have to click on next. So don't change anything. So it would be good if you follow the same thing, and you have to click on next, and add bin folder to the part. Create desktop. Yeah, I have to click on this. So it will create a desktop shortcut, and yeah, I think path variable, I think it's not needed. So I have to click on next, and after that mm, just select start menu for account to create. So you don't need to click on anything. So I think this is enough. Just click on install. Yeah, so it will take some time to set up these things, to download all the things. And once it was done, so you can run your PyCharm. In the earlier video, I explained about how to install Python in your system. So please check that if you want to install how to. So this is different, like, actually. Python is different. PyCharm is a different. So PyCharm is the IDE. So Python is a software. It's a programming language. Yeah, so you can see after that you can check this. When you shown, click to close up. After that, click on finish. So I think it will create here you have to confirm that. So you can read this thing. So After that, you can click on continue button. So I don't want to share, don't send. That's it. Here you can see. So this is your PyCharm editor. So you can create new projects. You can open whatever existing things available, and after that you can, you know, so this if you want to how to use this thing. So you can click on the start tool, and it will take you basic advantages like it will create by default virtual environment for you. So in VS Code, right, you have to create your own virtual environment. You have to use some commands like Python hyphen MD, so the kind of things. But so in Python, you get default virtual environment. You don't need to worry about it. So whenever you create a new project, that is one advantage. And after that, there are many things available. So for the complete Python thing, so you can able to implement in a much better way compared to other IDEs. But in case if you want to use some web applications, or then you have to go for VS Code only. Then PyCharm is not the suitable option. It's like depends on your necessity, and depends on your requirement. You have to choose your ID. Here you can see. So this is the project view. So you can see what are the files and projects available and etc. So uh, so you can look at these other things. Brand new things are added here. This is a terminal you can use, and after that you get the Python console. So Python console is there. So here the major advantage is you can do some more things like let us assume. So if you want to create one list, just assume lst equal to something like 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Then you can, if you want to check what is the length of that LSP, after that hit enter. Sorry, I hit this. Yeah, I can see 5. So these kind of a small things you can do in the Python console. That is a you good advantage instead of writing the entire thing in the code itself. So I hope you got some clarity. So there are many things you can do. So this is a terminal you can able to install some pip, and so these things. So you can create one new folder, and after that you can do the thing. So I hope here I didn't created any project. That's why my VNV is not set yet. I mean, it's not set yet. So I have to create one new project, and after that, so everything will be sorted. And hope uh, you got some clarity how to. This is a interactive, PyCharm IDE. So I hope you gain some knowledge in this.